Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka. Inna beka, akwesi insia, Commander 6. Kano said yes, yeah.
There you makacho se, yedi akukudro bekan yasem. Ye mani pebia rehuna, ye mani pebia so tete ye. Ye bekan yasem. Ni empeni forso di ahobrase ye etie ye. Isasi yenti na de bia meka se omote ba bia omote no. Omote oso mo ba besom ye. Eti ne wo ye boso a enma ne mankoye man no, ni apon out. Obuo kwa so a kire mpanifo. Mede de akwasi ensia Asem Yi Di Ka bre na edressing. Minim se yate ye na ma wo primary school ne de ye kwa man school no. Sa chechefo ate etua. Ye omo hyase enurade. But Asem Yi Di Ka na yenhwe video ni enti nsemu a chechefo nankasa editu especially the president of Ghana National Association of Teachers. Editu chire mu die enti a sa tuate no abasotiwi eba yesi.
Delay with negotiation of the new collective agreement. It will interest you to know that following the expiration of the collective agreement in 2023, negotiation of the new collective agreement should have completed on or before February 29 this year. But this has not been so. Thus, the new collective agreement stands unnegotiated, and we raise this concern in our letter to the Director General of GES dated 29 February 2024, and also inform the National Labour Commission accordingly. As we gathered here now, the issue is still outstanding. Ladies and gentlemen, 2, scheme of service. We have also drawn the attention of the Director General of the GES to the fact that the Ghana Education Service does not have a functional scheme of service for teachers. That's a much cogent and appropriate one, which takes care of all requirements in the teaching profession, needs to be developed for us. We have cried out over this to no avail. 3, equally important to the teachers are the following issues. The inability of government and the service to complete the distribution of the laptops to all teachers is of concern. The rampant changes of the school calendar without recourse to negotiation with the teacher unions is affecting the smooth operation of the service. Also, the blockade of teacher salaries by the Office of the Special Prosecutor without recourse to the laid down procedures is a major worry. Ladies and gentlemen, our call to action. In the light of the above circumstances and given the delays and unfulfilled promises on the part of the employer and the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission, and also threats from the rank and file of our members, we, the pre-tertiary teacher union, do stand with our members and hereby declare a nationwide industrial action effective today.
Okay. Eti ye nyina ate de enti akyerɛkyerɛfo no ate atua. Ade ana me di ho yaw eye. There we call for quality education. But what makes the education quality no as yadwen enko? The way akyerɛkyerɛfo te atua wo ye mam no eye too much. From running a pencil, ebesi ne. The rate at which I see Hama at church 40 etia, either from basic to secondary to tertiary. And that gives us a true reflection of the kind of education they ma yema or maim. Too much. Too much. Too much. Why? We may say a GS4 issue statement, but my GS4 statement, yeah, Cassandra Chumapa for a sign. As usual, Yabema, the school management, and I take you over. Or say, read declaration of industrial action. Management of the Ghana Education Service has read from the media that 3 teacher unions in the pre-tertiary education sector have declared withdrawal of their service effective Wednesday, 20th March 2024. Heads of public kindergarten and primary schools, as well as junior and senior high schools, have been directed through the regional and district directors to mobilize their management teams to ensure the safety and well-being of all students in schools. Meanwhile, parents are advised to remain calm and be assured that management is closely monitoring the situation and will advise on the way forward accordingly. Normal one say, yeah. Too much. Too much. It's the education ministers now, power mono. A teacher for challenge of what can was no. Yeah, near Maka Krebina, assistant a womb. Oh, here this time, yeah, near Abafra, I at some laptop, so ya teach musica, MI. Any achachophobia, Office of Special Prosecutor, FCC or more salary. There can be a normal issue from Kwame Nkrumah up pencil at Trawa Babesine. Sometimes we jama Timothy says, is it because the powers that be in manner and co up man school binti and I told them yes, yes, I'm for your dream and Kosane Manasonana. So maybe if Sada Tedia, I'll say Sakra on him. Because now Manoka saying, your ministers be brave. Yeah, come we are to be a compa Majuma. But when you so by a bay jument to acquire national service. Because one year national service, a bay you being yet. So maybe, just maybe, it should be compulsory for even members of parliament. So when you know about buying school. Because teacher 40 years here, now what you back on out mean, no, what other sort of fears you are. I teacher for crowd school in the academic year, and crying that say. Syllabus require you. Syllabus na dia mase acheche fonhwe so emfa nkyere bofra na no within the year no kom ka say omu school papa kraba omu ntimi nwie na breaks abam we ye betra na awtwe baako ekọ na awtwe mienu emre so ekọ otwesan ya nye etina anu afeina no mo ntimi ensua no ahyekọ. So what kind of future are we building for our country? So my fapping any edition. What kind of investment na ye or ye mofra edition from kindergarten to tertiary? Anya cheche for what from more and a quite when I won't feel net and you want to won't feel net when I was net. It within the year, no, you mean your academic calendar, just a very smooth diamaye. Why? The only issue with teachers are it's yet to me and solve it. Dear. And most of the concerns no reason, and you say a fresh concerns are a fair na buy kwa dream won. Don't you know concerns more reason a buy to say and power yamu can me yamamu. Now, by cross at the timelines at home. The bedroom option. Any appointment to come, mama. Now, see another dango for the year reshuffle. And former deputy employment minister. Mampeni Malis as minister conference and the technical advisor. Our employment ministry. And no Sababujina Ponso. Nancy and also ye pam. Benito Usubio, and so I call say special advisor. Yemi and him corny me be more money can con every payo. Yemi and him kusanya man. And maybe I make for example, labor ministry say a ban would do your fee say and why are scrapping off. How much money say? How much money say? na yet then na one na ya form adwuma you say ke through labor ministry omo ye aware of their employment omo tie labor ministry nya aware ye letter I inviting empanifo into a meeting labor ministry nka ho eno me tie ora rekubrobe on news night on Joy acheche for ni ye omo ni ye omo letter so mo twere koma omo mother ministry ye minister of education omo ankopia so omo copy my day omo copy my day because yan kasi yan hihye no ama ministry no one way or the other ya be redundant yan kasi yan hihye no. When's the last time I called labor office? But first year pay you my labor office neko. And no cost of the district no labor office officers think of for now I'm quite certain upon I'm share labor office near what police station one of hey the amount for that office ya Baba kwa bank twa was no mudi so ho okotra office there no oye because a juma was omo eye no ya gigi de ato apete e de ama other agencies and ministries no mo na eye the fair wages and salary commission be track say we are meeting striking teachers no a copy minister of finance we copy minister of education but no you labor a minister free mu it no meeting at church for no and Friday labor minister say and I'm so invited minister of finance minister of education and striking teachers say mo so mra be ni komodi e na ye ho sare e de ade no e de na ye ho no edi obi o mekọ fair wages de no makoma akoto mo yem ne e bia yakọ labor ministry de ne obi akọ ka asebo na akọ hanya asebo fufuro nyina ne asati me bi eti yesremo owura duchu una aba besu na so but I don't think it's your making enye ne achechefo tu ate eya doso o ba mu dodo se me nso da meka say e bi achechefo Ghana eti atua kra che ada workforce na wo man mu no and we ti atua bia yenim sunsanso a ewo yenim sunsanso a ewo man so me si edusua bokra achechefo no extra dia afin mu nyina akra ne da asan. It looks as every year, one way or the other, church of 48 years, from kindergarten to tertiary, every year. So can't we meet them halfway? It need to be a smooth run of our education. It means yes, sir. It's too difficult now. Yeah, we also have to have breaks in our education. To show memu apomo tanya 3 days partner for edisua for holiday match church for betia holiday match church for betia and it dey so afene kwa we dey na from kindergarten primary secondary tertiary emu akokọ yemi ani emre a church for no yemi ani emre why yemi ani emre because education no nyamini penim nie a form the especially nye tacheche for kwa sa tete atwa esa form okra na se e bon kra e form wona nye ena bia meka ye secondary schools de ti ama ye mpanifo no ma bebre ekobi ne ye se wona sha ase ne ye ne ye ena abagi din etopoku ar infanteman prempe adisada. And it's schools no, I bet you didn't have for more macono. But we started from primary private schools. Senator 4 years, secondary school, I'm not a yacono. I didn't think we do yes, so yes, no. Tuition penifona woman do Duanakasama primary or more private schools. Because someone will start from 1 year. So, dear, the abuasana be a form one bit to me a ye. Dear na one what private schools no ent no and my ye ni je ho say ye dear ma be private schools instead of buying schools. Dear it for all this years it even detectives are the cro. Why Yakupon ya not to be somewhere? Many says the can money on Basom to go. Cause can money on Basom to go and come to secondary school. Maybe come up other schools or Mako. So what is it, dear? Na what dear? Sa prime the one no dear pa na won tia. Am I yen me enye ni ya? Yen do a person your private schools. Ubi sani pa bebre wo man mu a. Wona nyanko abro sika kakra wo mu fie no. Omo primary na private. Omo primary do na private. So me there's a challenge. Say sat that's yen hwe ha ma cheche for na sa wo form no a. Challenge one yen to resolve a challenge no. SRT atua bi mu a. The challenge say yes no kra. Kwa school sa odom ko hwe foot say twam. O chira kra de beda country. Iri akwasinsi yakopon Asem Yi Di Ka ye de pese mu etwaso